Hello guys, welcome to my new video on AI and machine learning. So in this video, we are going to test the capabilities of a new model that has been creating some noise lately called as DeepSeek. So DeepSeek has released its R1 model, and on its site, it is shown that DeepSeek is now live and open source, rivaling OpenAI's O1. And as you see, it's an open source model. So it's available on web, app, and API. Click out for more details. So let's check the capabilities of DeepSeek and try to see what can be done through it. So you can just click on this get start now, and it will open a chat window for you, or else you can even download the DeepSeek app on your system. So I'll just click on this start now, and this is how the interface looks like. The interface looks very much like ChatGPT itself. So let's try some inputs here. So I just say hi. Okay. Let's try to ask it some questions. Can you solve uh, a second order differential equation? If yes, take example and solve it. Yeah, it can solve. So here it created an example dy square upon dx square plus dy by dx plus 4y. So this is a second order differential equation. And this is the solution that it gave step by step to the second order linear differential equation. So yeah, pretty much good answer. So now let's try to ask some questions related to coding here. So let's try to ask how to split scenes using Python programming. So it gave an option called as scene detect, and using scene detect, you can split the scenes and all. So it also gave the code, and the code part is also like pretty quick. The output is pretty quick. So this is how you can do it. Now let's try to check some multimodal capabilities of it. So you can, for now, it shows that you can text extraction only. So let me just pass in something. Let me pass this in. Let me pass this thing and ask it, please describe the image. And yes, it was able to give me what was there in the image. If you want to see what's there in the image, this is the image. So it's basically a flow of some prompt engineering architecture, and it gave the output also pretty good. The image appears to depict a workflow or process diagrams related to querying, blah blah blah, etc. etc. And it was able to get that. Okay, then let's try to ask something about the world, which are the most undervalued Nifty 50 stocks in India right now. So it knows that how to identify undervalued stocks. It should be low PE, low PB, high dividend yield, strong fundamentals, market sentiment, blah blah blah. And it didn't give the name of the stock, so that was interesting. Can you give me some names? Okay, so it gave the names also historically based on the PE, PB, whatever it is. It gave some names. So in banking and financial SBI, Axis, ICICI, in oil and gas, ONGC, OIC, in automobile, Tata Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra, Larsen and Tobro in infrastructure, NTPC, blah blah blah. So this is how you can use DeepSeek, and this looks very promising to me. So let's check if there are any other things. New chat, you can open a new chat, you can open the sidebar here. So all your old chats will be visible in the DeepSeek thing. And let us check if there is an SDK available for it too. Or instead, let me just ask it itself. Can we use DeepSeek? How to use DeepSeek R1 with Python? So it shows that you need to install the DeepSeek SDK. Then you have to connect to the device, appropriate devices in ULA, blah blah blah. Import DeepSeek. So initialize the device. Then you can upload your model, input data, random. Okay. So there is an SDK provided, and this is how you can do it. Let me check if multimodal capabilities are there. Help me test DeepSeek chat completion and multimodal capabilities with Python SDK. So first you need to get the DeepSeek thing, then you have to create and get the API. So the API key you can get from the DeepSeek dashboard. So once you get the DeepSeek API, then you can just specify the model. So here there is a model called as DeepSeek chat, which will help you to get the completion part. And for multimodal thing also, you need the DeepSeek API. Then you can ask the text, and it is very much similar to how OpenAI has built its SDK, and DeepSeek is also the same, almost the same. So, uh, okay, so that's it. So let's check if we are able to get the DeepSeek API. DeepSeek API key and price. DeepSeek API. So DeepSeek API, you can apply for an API key here, I think, directly. So let me log in. All right, so it took me to this DeepSeek platform, and it shows that DeepSeek chat model will be charged at discounted historical rate until this, blah, blah. Then it will be charged at something. So basically, this entire DeepSeek ecosystem is also not free. It is chargeable, but it is, I think the charges are pretty much less than what you have for OpenAI. So I'll just create a new key for now, and I'll just save the key somewhere. Okay, so this was all about DeepSeek's latest R1 model that I wanted to show you in this video. Feel free to test it out and let me know what good do you find in the DeepSeek models, and how you were able to use it on, or how it is better than OpenAI or Claude or any other AI provider outside. Till then, see you next time, guys. Bye bye.